Hey guys, welcome back! I'm here again with a new video, and today we're going to create beautiful Islamic bookmarks together. Simple, meaningful, and easy to make at home. So let's begin. Without wasting any time, first, take 2 pieces of paper and cut them according to the size and shape you prefer. You can keep them minimal or experiment with different styles. It's completely your choice. I've already prepared a few bookmarks beforehand, so you can see some design ideas. And now we'll start embellishing them with Arabic verses that carry deep reminders. As we work, tell me in the comments which verse connects with you the most. I always love hearing what resonates with you personally. Bookmarks are not just decorative pieces. When you open the Qur'an and suddenly see a verse written with intention, it gently reminds you of your purpose and where your heart truly belongs. They become quiet companions in your spiritual journey. Right now, I'm applying Montmartre glue because later I'll add gold leaf, which gives a subtle shine and helps the design stand out. While that dries for a few minutes, let's move on and create another bookmark together. You can follow the same verses I'm using, or choose your own favorites, to make each piece more personal and meaningful. I did accidentally miss recording a small part. The camera was off when one verse was halfway done. But don't worry, you'll still be able to understand the process clearly. Now let's refine the edges with soft paint touches to give a finished, polished look. And here's the final piece. Not just a bookmark, but a small daily reminder. Bookmarks are, honestly, one of the easiest and most relaxing projects, and you can customize every detail to match your own taste. Different but worth trying too. I've also made simple envelopes, so you can gift them to someone special. Thank you so much for watching. Share this with someone who loves handmade art. And I'll see you in the next video.